Bryce94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. In today's video, we are going to be painting a giant constrictor snake. So this is something that I believe I've wild shaped into in the Double Advantage podcast, so go check that episode out. I believe it's Aftermath, maybe? Something like that? I can't remember. Very good episode. It is during the Ataro city arc. I might have done poisons. I don't know. But this is a giant constrictor, nonetheless. Very cool mini. It feels really cool, like the scales. Oops, bumped the camera. So I'm really excited to paint it. It is just a giant snake, so nothing like crazy, like, you know, a demon lord or a dragon, anything like that. But doing something a little different here. I'm going to go over the paints I am using on the paint. So I will be using, these are all Army Painter D&D paints. Zombie Flesh, OTU, I don't know how to say this. I say Otug Brown, Sturge Tan. Put these back in order. Glistening Blood, Lawful White, Fire New Orange, Abyssal Black, Dungeon Stone, and Owl Bear Brown. We also have 3 different washes that I will most likely be using. Shadow Wash, Flesh Wash, and a Brown Wash. The main color of our snake will be this Zombie Flesh with a little bit of the Owlbear Brown mixed into it to give it more of a greenish brown color. Its body underneath will be the this brown, the underbelly. The mouth will be the reds, the teeth will be the white, the eyes will be the Fire New Orange, the black will be a little bit of details on the eyes and some other spots. The Dungeon Stone will be the stone around the snake, and then the Owlbear Brown will be mixed with a little bit of the Abyssal Black just to make it a little darker of a brown. And we're going to be using it to do, you know how like boa constrictors have the spots and stuff? I'm going to be attempting to do some of those throughout the snake. So yeah, let's get to painting. What's up, guys? We are back with the finished mini. I am getting ready to reveal it in all of its dried glory. I love how it turned out. The spots, the stripe on the back, the shading. I did go ahead and use, where's it at? Army Painter Military shader to do the actual snake skin instead of the shadow wash I showed off earlier. And I think that was a good call. But yeah, let's go ahead and check this guy out here. So here he is in all of his snaky glory. I did the spots. They're modeled after the boa constrictors and reticulated pythons. The green color I chose to relate it back to Volstagg, and also I found a picture of a giant constrictor snake that someone drew in 5e that was kind of like a lightish green color that this is, and I was like, oh, that looks really cool with the brownish gray stripes on it. That's why I chose gray for the outline of the circles and stripe. I think that's about it. It is up close. God, I love how that mouth turned out. That's my favorite. The head, the mouth. Cannot wait to add this guy. Oh, the belly. Completely changed color to the color I wanted to once I added the flesh wash, so I'm really glad I went with the Otayuk brown. I still don't know if that's how you say it. Yeah, so that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. There is a Monster Corner coming up Friday. Check that out. There's a special announcement at the beginning of it. But that's gonna do it. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.